Alright, so I've got a lot of rot. I can literally push my finger right into this board, and touching it, all of this just fell out. Luckily, it seems to be rock solid right here in the middle, on the other side of whatever the hell these support brackets are called. And then I have the same rot over here on the other side. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, there it is. So the bolts are actually pulling into the wood because the wood is getting soft. A lovely ghetto rigged to bilge pump. And the fire hazard, I have yet to figure out what half of that does. I think I'm just going to cut everything out except for the Mirrocraft control wiring and start over. This foam, it's like powdered. I touch it and it just crumbles. I'm kind of curious as to what's underneath these deck boards. This stuff is like a sheet of like tin type metal. It doesn't seem to be, there seems to be, I can poke a screwdriver through this and then there's like ½ inch or so and then I can feel it hit the hull. There's something under there, like some type of foam or matting or something, I don't know, but that's all rotted out, whatever this is. This is very brittle, whatever this metal is. Garden hose for wire conduit. I guess it works. That's definitely got to go.